Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, sometimes I have to wonder if the media organizations counter different people who make certain posts in public, because just after a very senior member of the police force, a lady by the name of Stephanie Lindsay, she is the superintendent of police, right, at SSP, and she control the constabulary corporate communications unit, otherwise known as CCU, and she came out and she said that the JCF can police itself. She said the JCF, right, believes in accountability and has demonstrated that it is capable of maintaining law and order within its own ranks. Now, people, before I go any further, just after seeing that, just that last sentence alone, people, I have to remind you, me still have unicorns as well, right? The unicorns are here, people, because they hear what SSP Lindsay said. The JCF believes in accountability, and the force has demonstrated that it is capable of maintaining law and order within its own ranks. People, 241 deal upon the unicorn, them link me over Instagram later, right? Now, just days after this post, an example came out as to why the JCF cannot be trusted to police itself, right? And the story comes out of Senton, after a taximan ended up do about a year, right, behind bars over some charges that were trumped up and exaggerated. Now, hear the story go, people. An elderly man, at the time he was about 61 years old, right? Police had run him down because he had a pro box. He was a taximan, and he looked like, say, them that use him for shuttle things back and forth. Something that is actually very common. Enough taximan get themselves caught up in a foolishness, because them either a transport known criminals, or them a transport herbs, or them a transport diet coke, and them end up get caught up in all kind of foolishness. When them for to stick to them job, which is being a law-abiding citizen and earn them bread honestly. But I guess the people them who ship these kind of things have a bag of money, so in time them offer them some big deal, I guess the temptation is too great for some, so they end up learning the hard way. Now, this brother almost paid the ultimate price, right? A man by the name of Leroy Lord, right? And it turns out that after a traffic stop, he must say police claim say him never stop, and them end up drive down the car and wait up the car, people, right? Now, when the car finally come to a stop, the police story goes that while they were doing the chase, the car did full of man, right, and man in a passenger seat wait up for them car, that is a police car, and how the usual story. They had to take evasive action and how they feared for their life, so them end up wait up the taxi. When the taxi come to a stop, people, them claim say them end up fine 30 pounds of herbs, or at least them hand over 30 pounds of herbs, and the driver, Leroy Lord, would end up get charged because as the original story with them claim is that them came under heavy fire and them had to defend themselves. People, it just so happened that the spot where the taxi pull over, a business place had their cameras running. Oh boy, people, the camera end up show something completely different from what the squaddy them claim. People, the camera end up show say when them stop the taxi and them open the trunk, on the camera you could see the pro box full of herbs, 14 plastic bag to be exact, weighing in at approximately 129 pounds. So the car did full of 129 pounds. The video goes on for sure. So the police them, when them find one at the back of the car, police them jump into the car, people, drive it away, right? Drive with the pro box with the 130 pound worth of herbs, and then shortly after, then come back. But when them come back, there was only 30 pounds in the car. So just call it 100 pounds went missing, right? So you know what going on right there, so. But they didn't stop there, right? As me say, they went as far as to say, oh, they were engaged in a dangerous situation because the man them in the pro box, I went up for them car, and them they have to return fire it turned out that every spent shell that was found on the scene and upon the route where them claim to them they were involved in this dangerous chase, every spent shell that was found came from a policeman weapon. And the danger where them claim they didn't under, because for them car did come under heavy fire, there was not a single round that hit for them car. So no round no hit for them car, and no spent shell on the scene didn't come from the policeman in the car. Apparently it was one constable, one corporal and 2 constables. So all the spent shell them traced back to the cops. In other words, they were lying. They didn't come under heavy fire because it was a taxi man. It was a taxi man, as me say, a greedy taxi man who I try to make some kind of roast and I eat a food by transporting man herbs, right? A 60-year-old taxi man at that, right? So obviously, them pull on the man. They thought to themselves, oh, here's a chance to eat a easy food because a 3 away and I one of him, right? We're 3 cops, we're the law. Our word is going to be taken, like the word of 3 police officers is going to mean more than 1 taxi man. So them file them shady report, right? Claim much things, and just by pure bad luck, and for them side, amazing luck for the taxi man, there was a video recording, right? And that is how the taxi man ended up get released when the video was handed over to Indicom. See, somebody in the business place watch the video, see what going on, and they handed it over to Indicom. See, if they had handed that video over to their nearest police station, guess what happened to it? How many people believe that if that video was handed over to the police, you know the same JCF where SSP Lindsay say can police itself, and the SSP Lindsay say, it's demonstrated its willingness to do this and that? Guess what would have happened to the person who walked into a police station and said, so one video showing your colleagues them a driveway, the pro box full of herbs, and then when the pro box come back, there was much less herbs in the car. So see the video, go and hold on upon it and take care of it, right? I'm sure you're going to do the right thing and then walk out of the station. How many people think that video would make it to courthouse? If you're one of those people, again, please link up, because the unicorns they both and we need to get them sell off 2-for-1 deal, including a free bag of unicorn chow. So when SSP Lindsay and other senior officers are going to insult the intelligence of the Jamaican people by claiming that the JCF can and should police itself, people, this is ridiculous. We've seen too many cases like this, and this is just one of the few cases where them end up get catch on video, and it's undisputed. The amount of time this happening in Jamaica, where police find things, and by the time they don't take what them to take, and then report what them want to report, and then say what them want to say about the person them find it with. People, cases like this make me wonder how much man down a Horizon, how much man down a GP, will nothing down there, or nothing down there as long as where them down there for. Because, for example, with this taxi man, he committed a crime. Him for do some time, and he did brush some time, right? But the charge of them they really want to fling him for was the firearms charge. Because again, them claims to them come under heavy fire, right? Now the video end up disprove that, and then the whole special casings will come only from the police same weapon, end up disprove that, and the man end up bust the case, right? But the video of them teefing the herbs was what really make the people them start dig up the police report and say, no, well, if we lie about this, we lie about that too, right? So sometimes you have to wonder how much man down on Horizon in a similar circumstances. This is the police force that we're supposed to believe can police itself? Really? How much squad do you think I go dash to them for squad down on Horizon? And keep which job? Let me tell you something, people. Let me explain to you how the force works. And this is not unique to the police force. You could even use this even for your normal workplace, right? This would apply to the normal workplace wherever you work. But the difference is because the police are sworn to protect and serve, and because they are an arm of the government, they have to come under greater scrutiny. Because in your workplace, it's hardly life and death. It's hardly a case of losing your freedom, right? But police business, it is life and death, and you can lose your freedom. So this is why them become under more scrutiny, and why they do come under more scrutiny. But let me tell you how workplace that things go. You see, if foolishness are going on in our workplace, if corruption are going on in our workplace, and you go there as a new man and go like you want shuffle it up and mash it up and make people stop quote unquote eat our food, people, the consequences are severe. As I said, in your workplace, the consequences might just be people stop talking to you. In the police force, you might end up swimming with the fishes. They might end up finding out a Kingston Harbour afloat on top of the water. It has happened many times, many cases, right, where police fling with police because police try to mash up them little shaky corruption scheme where them are going with. It happens, people. I will not talk about 1 and 2 times. Ask any police, you don't have to ask Sir right? Don't ask Sir because as simple Simon would have say, we make up things to get views. So ask any police where you know, any honest police where you know. People are serious thing. So this is why they cannot be trusted to police themselves, right? Because even internally, even if you have a quote unquote good cop who want to do the right thing, if in a film station everybody else or the majority of people, especially the senior cops them, or do something dodgy, he will not break the mold. He might go either turn a blind eye or join it, because if him go on like him want turn against it, people, he will get dashed way. Welcome to Jamrock. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.